In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best universal remotes in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Most versatile alternatives on the list. MX450 Universal Remote can operate up to 18 devices. Its color screen features 3 primary pages, with each additional device adding up to 8 additional pages. This remote can operate your devices from a distance of up to 100 feet, 30 meters. You may also personalize how you use the remote by programming several commands from a single button. Just keep in mind that programming and setting up this remote can take some time due to the numerous unique instructions. Number 4. Might seem unusual for the Amazon Fire TV Cube to show up on a list of the best universal remotes, since it's a box. Just hear us out, though. The Fire Cube is a surprisingly powerful device. The set-top streaming device allows you to control your TV and any other Alexa-compatible smart devices in your home with voice commands you speak into its small remote. When you set aside the Alexa functionality, the Fire Cube remote, which you'll also find in many new Amazon Fire streaming devices, is fairly rudimentary. Once you get into the swing of using voice commands, though, you won't care about any of the buttons, anyway. Number 3. Have lots of devices from lots of different brands. You'll want one universal remote that can rule them all. The Logitech Harmony 665 is compatible with a growing list of over 6,000 brands, which means it works with more than 270,000 different devices. From TVs to audio systems to gaming consoles and more. This remote is also great for saving your favorite channels and device configurations. There are buttons at the top for watch TV or watch a movie that automatically change your input and switch to your preferred settings for that activity. That is changing over to your streaming device and turning on your soundbar. You can also create shortcuts to your favorite channels and easily access them from the remote screen. Another advantage to the screen, it includes step-by-step troubleshooting help. If you have a problem, you can follow instructions right on the Harmony 665 to resolve it. In terms of customizability and user-friendliness, this remote is hard to beat. Number 2. Featuring control of up to 8 devices, the Logitech Harmony Smart Control works with over 270,000 devices from 6,000 brands, including cable TV boxes, Apple TV, and Roku. The connectivity doesn't stop there since the Harmony Smart Control offers a smartphone app for both Android and iOS that offers up to 50 favorite channel icons, volume control, and media playback. Gone are the days of irritating on TV keyboards. Instead, voice control is handled directly from your smartphone or tablet, and speech recognition will help find your content faster. Beyond voice control, the Harmony excels at working with devices that are hidden in closed cabinets through its IR, infrared, and Bluetooth connectivity. Our tester did point out, however, that while overall performance and software was good, it wasn't always consistent. Number 1. For most people, the very best universal remote is the Logitech Harmony Elite, and, while it may be the most expensive, it's well worth the price. Essentially, the Harmony Elite connects to a base station that is connected to your entertainment console, which allows the use of the remote anywhere in your home, even without direct line of sight. Our reviewer was able to use it with Amazon's Alexa devices, and there's full voice control for up to 15 home entertainment and connected home devices. The full-color touchscreen allows easy swipe and tap for control of volume, movies, 50 favorite channels, and even smart home devices such as LED lighting for automatic dimming when a movie starts. Options such as one-touch activity allows for automatic power on and switching to the right devices with the right settings. Additionally, Features such as closed cabinet control let the Harmony Hub assist in controlling devices that are stored behind closed doors and cabinets. The Harmony smartphone app, Android and iOS, doubles as a separate universal remote, which is convenient in case you are charging the Harmony Elite in its charging station. While the pricing might turn some potential buyers away, if you want the most feature-rich universal remote on the market, the Harmony Elite is the one to own. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.